Introduction. The DF-4 DONGFENG-4, known by NATO as the CSS-3, is one of China's earliest long-range, nuclear-capable ballistic missiles. Although considered old by today's standards, it played a major role in China's nuclear deterrence strategy during the Cold War and early modern era. Designed in the 1960s and deployed by the mid-1970s, the DF-4 extended China's strike capability far beyond its borders, reaching critical strategic targets across Asia and the Pacific. With a range of about 5,500 kilometers and a large nuclear warhead, the DF-4 helped China establish credible long-distance nuclear strike power. Development history. China began developing the DF-4 during a period when its missile technology was still in early stages. After successfully creating shorter-range missiles like the DF-2 and DF-3, Chinese engineers aimed to build a missile capable of reaching U.S. military bases in Asia as well as major cities in neighboring regions. During the 1960s, China needed a missile that could fly farther than 4,000 kilometers. The DF-4 was built using a two-stage design and liquid fuel technology, which was the most practical solution at the time. The first test flights took place in the late 1960s. By the mid-1970s, the missile was considered operational. The DF-4 also influenced early Chinese space rocket technology and helped in the development of the Long March launch vehicle series. Design and structure. The DF-4 is a two-stage, liquid-propelled ballistic missile. Its size and structure reflect early Cold War missile engineering, where large airframes and heavy propellant tanks were common. Physical characteristics. Length. Approximately 28 meters. Diameter. Approximately 2.25 meters. Launch weight. Approximately 82,000 kilograms. The missile's design uses a large first stage for powerful initial boost, a second stage to extend range and stabilize the missile during mid-course flight, a detachable re-entry vehicle (RV) carrying the nuclear warhead. Propulsion system. The DF-4 uses storable liquid propellants, typically fuel, hydrazine-based or UDMH, oxidizer, nitric acid-based compounds. These hypergolic liquids ignite instantly on contact, making them reliable but dangerous to handle. Unlike modern solid-fuel missiles, the DF-4 requires fueling before launch, which increases preparation time and reduces survivability in wartime. Range and performance. The missile's effective operational range is generally reported as about 5,500 kilometers, although some sources describe slightly lower or higher numbers depending on payload weight. This range allows the DF-4 to strike U.S. bases in Guam, the entire Indian subcontinent, parts of Russia's Far East, Southeast Asia, Central Asia. The DF-4 was designed for strategic deterrence, not battlefield accuracy. Instead of precision, it relied on a massive nuclear warhead to ensure destructive capability. Nuclear warhead details. One of the strongest features of the DF-4 is its single, large thermonuclear warhead. Warhead type. Thermonuclear, hydrogen bomb. Yield. Estimated 1 to 3 megatons, with many assessments placing it close to 3 megatons. A megaton-class warhead is extremely powerful, capable of destroying large urban areas, eliminating hardened military targets, creating long-lasting strategic damage. Why such a high yield? During its development, China had limited numbers of long-range missiles. Missile accuracy (SEP) was relatively poor, about 1 to 1.5 kilometers. Large warheads ensured that even an imprecise strike would be devastating. Thus, a 3-megaton bomb compensated for limited accuracy and small missile inventory. Guidance and accuracy. The DF-4 uses astro-inertial guidance, which combines inertial navigation systems (INS) for flight control, celestial, star-based navigation to correct long-range drift. This was advanced technology for the 1960s and improved reliability, but accuracy remained lower than modern GPS-guided systems. Accuracy. SEP. Approximately 1 to 1.5 kilometers. While not accurate by modern standards, the high-yield warhead ensured destructive effectiveness. Basing system. The DF-4 was deployed in two main ways. 1. Silo, fixed emplacements. Hardened underground silos. Some missiles stored unfueled inside caves or tunnels. Could be rolled out and fueled before launch. 2. Semi-mobile deployment. Although not fully road mobile like modern missiles, the DF-4 could be transported on large launch platforms from storage tunnels to firing sites. Weaknesses: long fueling time, vulnerable to preemptive strikes, easily detected compared to modern road mobile systems. This is why China eventually replaced it with more survivable missiles like the DF-31 and DF-26. Operational history: entry into service, first tests, late 1960s, operational deployment, mid-1970s. Number of missiles: China never deployed a large number of DF-4 missiles. Estimates suggest only a small fleet, likely a few dozen. Targets covered: during its peak, the DF-4 could threaten Guam, main U.S. military hub in the Pacific, Moscow's eastern region, India's major cities, Asian-Pacific strategic assets. Current status: most DF-4 missiles are retired, or near complete retirement, replaced by DF-31 solid-fuel ICBM, DF-26 dual-role IRBM, DF-21 variants. The DF-4 no longer plays a central role in China's nuclear posture. Strategic importance: the DF-4 holds an important place in China's missile history. Key contributions: first medium-range nuclear deterrent, extended China's strike capability to distant adversaries. Milestone in missile technology, provided experience for later ICBM development, including DF-5 and DF-31. Strengthened nuclear strategy, helped China establish credible second strike capability. Despite its limitations, slow launch readiness, limited mobility, and outdated technology, the DF-4 served China's strategic needs during a critical period of nuclear development. Technical specifications, quick reference. Feature. Details. Name: DF-4 DONGFENG-4 CSS-3. Type: IRBM, early ICBM. Stages: 2. Fuel type: storable liquid, hypergolic. Length: approximately 28 meters. Diameter: approximately 2.25 meters. Launch weight: approximately 82,000 kilograms. Range: approximately 5,500 kilometers. Payload: approximately 2,000–2,200 kilograms. Warhead: single thermonuclear. Yield: 1–3 megatons approximately. 3 Mount Common estimate. Guidance: astro-inertial. Accuracy, SEP, approximately 1 to 1.5 kilometers. Deployment: mid-1970s. Status: mostly retired. Conclusion: the DF-4 was a major step in China's nuclear modernization, giving the country long-range nuclear strike capability at a time when it had few alternatives. While it is technologically outdated today, its legacy remains as one of the foundational pillars of China's early strategic missile force. Its large megaton-class warhead, long range, and historical role make it a significant missile in China's defense evolution.